Do you want to pitch partnerships to brands, but you don't really know what to send them? Here's how to create a media kit that can actually get you paid as an influencer. I'm breaking down everything you need to include, why it matters, and how to stand out. Especially in 2025, when we are heavily oversaturated with content and everybody's attention span is almost non-existent. Let's get into it. The first thing is your bio. It's like a digital elevator pitch. It's the first thing that your brand sees, and it needs to very quickly answer 3 important questions. Who are you? What do you do? And why does your audience trust you? Here's an example. I'm Geraldine Lake, a content creator, a podcast host, a travel enthusiast, and a comedic actress with over 2.5 million followers across all platforms. My content blends humor, pop culture, and real life commentary to uplift, inform, and entertain career-driven Black women. This is short, sweet, and to the point, and it gives the brand a sense of your vibe. Add what your content focuses on and your location if it's relevant. Tell them what kind of content you create, whether it's lifestyle, wellness, beauty, or travel. The next thing is your audience demographics. Brands buy audiences, not just aesthetics. You could be funny and stylish and consistent, but if you can't tell the brand who's watching you, then you'll lose out on partnerships. So include your age range, a gender breakdown, top locations, including cities and countries, and audience interest if it's available, like fashion or fitness. The best part about it is you can pull this information straight from your social media platforms. Visuals also help. Try a chart or infographics or just a clean list. Now the next thing is your social stats. This right here is the time to flex. Follower count is not everything. What really matters is engagement and consistency. Share your follower totals by platform, your average reach and impressions, engagement rates like comments, shares, and likes. And if you've had a viral moment or steady growth over time, show it. A line graph or a screenshot of analytics could really help. You're showing that you're not just on social media posting. Baby, you are performing. The next thing you may want to include is content samples. Your work is your proof. This is where you show them all the receipts. Pick your strongest content pieces, ideally the ones that align with the brand that you might be pitching to, and include product reviews, skits or comedic content, travel vlogs, outfit hauls, tutorials, event hostings, or voiceovers. Use screenshots, links, or embedded clips. And if you've gone viral or had high engagement, include those numbers as well. The next thing you gotta do is post about past partnerships. Yes, I want you to brag on yourself without really bragging on yourself. If you've worked with brands before, paid or unpaid, add their logos and mention them. You don't need a long story, just 1 or 2 examples with results. Here's an example. I collaborated with Clean Eats to promote grab and go meals. This content received 30,000 plus views on Instagram and led to over $1,000 in trackable revenue. Even if it was a gifted collaboration, results still matter. Now this next thing is optional. It's your rate card or a services menu. Now you can just skip this and say that your rates are available upon request. But if you want to weed out the lowball offers and get straight to the bag, then just include a simple rate card. List how much you charge for an Instagram post, a TikTok post, or a story post. Always leave room for negotiation and feel free to add a note like, all rates are negotiable depending on usage rights and deliverables. Now here are some final tips about the design. Keep your media kit clean, visual, and on brand. Use your brand colors, a font, and maybe a logo if you have one. Add your contact info clearly, whether it's an email, a website, or a media kit link. Export this as a PDF, not a Word document, and keep it under 10 megabytes so it's easier to send. Update your brand kit every 3 to 6 months with new stats, new wins, and fresh content. I know this sounds like a lot, but just set a reminder in your calendar. It needs to be done. And that's how you build a media kit that's guaranteed to close the deal. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your friends. For more content creator tips, drop a comment below. Remember, I'm your internet bestie and I'm just here to help. It's not about just looking cute. It's about knowing your worth, showing your value, and being ready to negotiate like a real business. Thank y'all for watching, and as always, check out www.oktobeapparel.com to grab the t-shirt. See you next time.